Hi, my name is Geoffrey Rodriguez, a student of the program System Engineering. When we heard our dialogue about the effect on the technology on our environment, let's continue. The world is going through a stage of the accelerated technology advances that make it possible to streamline and replace on the heart of the main industries. But at the same time, this causes effects on the environment and the creation more thoughts. Waste, plástico, that error deterioro on the destruction on the ozone layer. For this reason, the climate change in the world every time very produce melting in glacier and higher temperatures in some part on the world. The reef and close in on the sea are being polluted with some toxic waste that the industry produces and where do no stop this. When with some good from sin and blood war on dark and black world. For this reason, my recommendation as in the site to improve new technologies in the future is that our country is obliged to have a minimum working of 5 of the gross domestic product in the investing for the collection, evaluation, and risk in technology that were guaranteed that states are deposit infection in the embryo. It would be how a time the world had at the inactive implementing to extension may existen intense condition. In the world, salvemos el mundo. Gracias, compañeros.